Welcome to the students of class 8. How are you? Hope you are well and you are very busy with your study. Now, we are going to learn Unit 5, Lesson 7, The Truthful Duck 3. Please take your book and open this lesson. In Section A, look at the picture. What can you see in this picture? There are 4 questions about the picture. What do you see in the picture? We see 3 birds in the picture. Next question, how do the 3 birds look? The 3 birds look different as 2 of them are happy and the third is sad. Question number 3, why do you think they look so? I think they look different because the conversation they had was not pleasant for everyone. Last number, who looks very happy? Can you guess why? The bat looks very happy because he was sly and he was able to earn the favor of the owl. Now, understand the pictures. In section B, there is the text. Now, read more about the 3 birds. What? Cried the bat. Is that all you have to say to our gracious host? বাদুর চিৎকার করে বলল, কি এই কি তোমাদের আমাদের মহান অতিথি সেবকের জন্য বলার এইটুকুনি সব? Is he not the wisest, bravest and most generous of all animals and birds? তিনি কি সকল পশু পাখির থেকে অধিকতর বেশি জ্ঞানী, সাহসী এবং মহান নয়? Have you no praise for this noble character as well as for his goodness to us? তিনি যে তার এই মহান চরিত্র এবং আমাদের প্রতি তিনি যে আতিথেয়তা দেখিয়েছেন তার জন্য কি তোমার তার প্রতি কোনোই প্রশংসা নেই? I am ashamed of you. তোমাকে নিয়ে আমি লজ্জা বোধ করছি। You did not deserve such hospitality. You do not deserve this shelter. তুমি এই আতিথেয়তার যোগ্যই নও এবং এই আশ্রয়ের যোগ্য নও। You are an ungrateful bird, and the bat is right. You do not deserve this generous hospitality which I have offered. Get out, be off, I say. Sit down. পেঁচা বলল, তুমি একটি অকৃতজ্ঞ পাখি। বাদুড়ি ঠিক, তুমি আমার এই আতিথেয়তার যোগ্য নও যা আমি তোমাকে দান করেছি। বেরিয়ে যাও, দূর হও, আমি বলছি। পেঁচা এসব তাকে বলল। Yes, get lost, echoed the bat, flapping his leathery wings. বাদুড় তার চামড়ার পাখা ঝাপটাতে ঝাপটাতে পেঁচার সাথে তাল মিলিয়ে বলল, হ্যাঁ, বেরিয়ে যাও। The two heartless creatures fell upon the poor little dog and drove her out into the dark and stormy night. এই দুজন হৃদয়হীন পাখি বেচারা ছোট্ট ঘুঘুর উপর ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়ল এবং তাকে অন্ধকার ঝড়ো রাতে বের করে দিল। But the owl and the bat did not go unpunished for their act of heartlessness. কিন্তু এই পেঁচা এবং বাদুড় তাদের এই হৃদয়হীন কর্মকাণ্ডের জন্য শাস্তির বাইরে থাকল না। The bat can never fly in broad daylight. বাদুড় দিনের উজ্জ্বল আলোতে কখনোই দেখতে পায় না। He has to wait for the sun to go down. তাকে সূর্যাস্ত যাওয়া পর্যন্ত অপেক্ষা করতে হয়। And do you know what happened to the vain owl? এবং তোমরা কি জানো যে অহংকারী পেঁচার কি হয়েছিল? Well, he is blind as long as the sun is up. যতক্ষণ না সূর্য উদয় হয় ততক্ষণ তাকে অন্ধ থাকতে হয়। He cannot hunt or feed himself unless it is dark. যতক্ষণ না অন্ধকার হয় ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত সে শিকার বা নিজের খাবার জোগাড় করতে পারে না। So the vicious creatures with their dark heart live in the dark. সুতরাং এই নিষ্ঠুর পাখি দুটি তাদের হৃদয়হীন অন্ধকার হৃদয়ের জন্য অন্ধকারেই থেকে গেল। On the other hand, the dove is rewarded for the truthfulness. অপরদিকে ঘুঘু তার সত্যবাদিতার জন্য পুরস্কৃত হল। Her name shall be used by poets as long as the world lusts to rhyme with love. তার নাম পৃথিবী যতদিন থাকবে ভালোবাসার কবিতায় কবিরা তার নাম ব্যবহার করবে। Adapted from the Curious Books of Verse by Abby Farewell Brown. Abby Farewell Brown এর The Curious Books of Verse থেকে সংক্ষেপিত। There are some keywords. Gracious, adjective, সদয় বা অমায়িক। Merciful, synonym. Showing divine grace. Noble, adjective, মহৎ। Dignified, a person of noble rank of birth. Next number, deserve, verb, যোগ্য হওয়া। Fit or pure, do something or have or show qualities worthy of. Next number, hospitality. Noun, আতিথেয়তা। Entertainment, the friendly and generous reception and entertainment of guests, visitors or strangers. Next number, ungrateful, adjective. অকৃতজ্ঞ, synonym, unthankful, not feeling or showing gratitude. Echo, noun, প্রতিধ্বনি। Repeat, the reflecting of sound of a word. Vicious, adjective, দুশ্চরিত্র। Evil or immoral, synonym, deliberately cruel or violent. Next, leathery, adjective, চামড়া সদৃশ অথবা skinny, synonym, having a tough hard texture. Next number, vain, adjective, ব্যর্থ or unsuccessful, that does not produce the result you want. This is the keywords. Now you can find some pictures. By reading the first part, we learn that the two birds decided to make a journey. After flying over river, hills, they reached in a jungle in stormy weather. And in this situation, they wants to take shelter. And after reaching the jungle, they took shelter in an owl's nest. In this picture, we can see the bat flutter the owl. The bat also wanted that the dove praises the owl, but the dove show unwillingness to false praise. For this reason, the bat and the owl drove the little dove into the dark and stormy night. In this picture, we can see the dove flying away. And for this heartless act, the bat got his punishment. The owl also got his punishment. But the dove is rewarded for truthfulness. Dear learners, there are some questions to answers. The answers are done for your better understanding. Question number 1. Why did the bat say he was ashamed of the dove? The answer is, the bat said that he was ashamed of the dove as he thought that the dove could not praise the owl. Next question. Why was the owl angry with the dove? The answer is, the owl was angry with the dove as he thought her ungrateful. Question number 3. What did the owl and the bat do to the dove? The answer of this question: the owl and the bat fell upon the dove and drove her out into the dark and stormy night. Next, question 4. How were the bat and the owl punished at the end? The answer of this question: the bat can never fly in broad daylight, and the owl cannot hunt or feed himself unless it is dark. Thus, they were punished at the end. Last question number 5. What reward did the dove get? The dove's name shall be used by poets as long as the world lasts, to rhyme with love. Thus she got reward. These are the answers of the questions. Dear learners, I hope you can understand the text. You read this text very carefully and learn the answers. In this text, I will not give you any homework. Read the text again and again and learn very well. No more today. Please always try to keep well and learn your lesson very attentively. No more today. Best wishes for you. Thank you to all.